this is Sharif for Just Nailed It, and you have came across another one of my videos. Today we are going to be using the nail pegs with some Model 1s, Leaf U. This is Model 1s right below it, some dip powders. This is a like starter refill kit. I got this off of Amazon the end of last year, I think, but we're going to play with it today. We are going to use the burgundy, which I think is just a rich, beautiful color. And we are going to use the hollow. I don't know if this is coming through on camera. This is just beautiful. This is what we're going to use on the ring finger. Get the lid back on. So we're going to be using both of those today. Ring finger is the hollow. I don't have the liquids to go along with this. You know, the base coat, the activator, and the top coat. So I'm using 8 different brands. Forgive me for that. Look how rich and vibrant and just pigmented that is. That is just beautiful. So I'm going to open my bottles. Get these situated and away from the cord. Right now I got the phone plugged into the charger, and if I hit the cord, well then it makes it hobble a bobble. We're going to do one nail at a time. We're going to go in first with our base coat. I want to give a shout out to some ladies that I know that are doing giveaways. We have got Loves Nail Nicole. It's L-U-V-S or L-U-V Nails Nicole. It's all one word. She's doing a giveaway. I think she's going to start it today and run it for a week, or she started it last night and she's going to run it for a week. Check her out. Tell her I sent you. Look how beautiful that is. That is just gorgeous. So we're going to let that one sit for a minute. We're going to just keep going down the assembly line here. Also, I want you to check out Hillbilly's Nails and More, or Hillbilly Nails and Makeup and More. Leslie, forgive me if I screwed your channel name up, but I will put all the names across the bottom of the screen so you can find them. I didn't get coverage on the side there. That is my bad. See if I can fix that. Dip that in. There we go. I think these are just beautiful colors by Model 1s. It says Leaf U, which is a sub-brand of Model 1s. Love their products as well. When you're doing this, make sure you get the base coat everywhere on the nail. I don't care if you've got to go over this 2 or 3 times just to make sure your whole area is covered. And dip in. I love playing with dip powders. I think they're really super cool. They're beautiful. I do go over them twice. But if I want to get this down like an assembly line here. I really love this. If you order from Model 1s, I have a 10% off discount code. It is Just Nailed It 10. You can use that even during the sale. Get yourself 10% off. And why not save some change, you know? So I have got my brush here off to the side. I'm going to dust this off. Put another layer of base coat. Make sure you get the nail good. Sides, up by the cuticle area. You don't want nothing left undone. You want it all covered. Whoops. And my nail's gonna flip about. This is not what I want to use, but it's what's handy. Yeah, that's gonna stay burgundy for a minute. There's 2 dips. I think that is just gorgeous. There's such a deep, vibrant. Look at the difference in colors between 1 and 2 coats. Which would you rather wear, the 1 or the 2? I vote for 2 myself. I love how deep this is. This will stain your brush. So if you've got a brush saver, I recommend you keep it handy. Dip in. Beautiful. So I'm going to let that sit and rest for a minute. Whoopsie. Where are we going on our list here? We did Love Nails Nicole, Hillbillies Nails, Makeup, and More. And there's also Nails by Catherine Ford. She just started her giveaway, so give her a looky-uppy. Girly Nails 66. Oh, look how stained that brush is. Oh. Look up all these ladies. The last was Girly Nails 66. She's got a week left on her giveaway. Let them all know that I sent you. Check out the giveaways. Or if you haven't already subscribed to their channels, do that. A couple other ladies I know that are, well, I'm one of, trying to get watch time. Catherine Ford, BRC Nails. BRC is in capitals, I believe. But it'll come up. You type in BRC Nails, she'll come up. Brandy. She's a riot. She is a riot. To give her a look. Where's my... I put my base coat away and I wasn't done. Jumping ahead of the game. Just a healthy coat. And dip. Now would be a good time to put this in the brush saver. Brush off the first nail. Get our activator out. Brush that out liberally. Make sure you get it all. Let that sit for just a minute. Move into your next nail. Make sure you brush these off before you apply the activator. And these are just beautiful. Great coverage. There's not going to be much buffing to be done. And that's alright. Less work for me to do. Brush your nail. I just gouged it. Here's our last and final nail. Well, of the burgundy. I am going to be putting 2 coats of the activator on. I'm gonna buff once these are dry, and put the activator on again, brush it off of course, and then do the top coat. Here is the hollow. How beautiful. Really enjoy that. Please check out the ladies I've mentioned. We're all trying to get watch time. I need like, oh, I forgot how much it is. They knocked off one of my videos. You have to have 4,000 hours within 1 year. One of my highest watched videos is now taken off of that equation. So now I only have like 1,400 and say 30 watch hours, and I need up to 4,000. So I'm in great need of some watch time. I'd appreciate with any videos you watch, you give a full view. How beautiful is it? I hope you can see. This is just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Would you wear this, ladies? I think it's beautiful. And dip in for our second time. There we go. Let that sit for a minute and I'll activate. How does that look? I think that is going to be a beautiful manicure. Beautiful. Check my watch time. Sorry about that. Gonna brush this off lightly. Get the activator. Knock the activator over and spill it. That's beautiful. Let me pause. I have cleaned up my mess. I hope. We are still going to try and activate our fourth nail here. And I don't know if there's anything left in the bottle. There we go. Because I spilled a hefty portion there. That's not cool. I don't know where my other set of liquids are from another company, but I'll be doing some digging out here soon. So I'm going to let that sit, start on my other nails, and I'm going to give these a light buff. Just to make sure we are all even. No lumpy bumpies. Brushy, brushy. So I'm gonna finish the rest of these off camera, and I'll be back when I'm done. Hello, I'm back again. I'm really sorry about that. One of my nail sisters called video chat, and it kind of kicked me off. So we're back, and I already put another coat of the activator on while I was chit-chat with Princess T. So now we're going to top coat, but what I'm going to attempt to do first on the index finger, I'm going to lie here, I'm going to put some bling on. But I'm going to put it on with glue. If I don't flood it out, I'm going to wait for this to dry just a tad. So I don't want these to slip sliding around. Whoops. Whoopsie. Oh, I'm not trying to glue it to myself either. There we go. Put the cat back on the glue. Should have some smaller ones out. But I think this mani is really beautiful. Yeah, I got glue all over my hand now. I just can't mess with it and not get it all over me. Or my flexi hand, I should say. That's usually what gets it. These are my tiger stripe nails. Loved those. So we are going to... We're going to top coat now. Make sure I don't put activator. Top coat. I think these nails are just beautiful. With the top coat, with the dip system, you don't need to cure. Just let them sit. Do not touch. Look at how beautiful that hollow nail is. I think that is just gorgeous. I've never seen a hollow dip before. You guys may have. I don't do the dip too often. Oh, that's beautiful. Beautiful. I know, keep my day job right. I know. I'll save your ears. So there we go. We are top coated. Oh, look at that burgundy, how rich that is. I think that is just stunning. That hollow nail, I think that just brings it all together. Let me comment down below. Let me know what you think. Would you wear this mani? I think I would. I think I might try this one out here soon. Or maybe a lighter color since spring is here. I'll have to dig and see what colors I've got and maybe do that on camera. If you haven't subscribed, please do so and click the all button and the bell. Click the bell, click the all button. Sorry about that. That way you get notified of all future videos, giveaways, anything that I'm doing on my channels you'll be notified of instead of, getting lost in the shuffle. And I'd appreciate it. Have yourselves a good night. Bless you. Thank you. Have a blessed day.